Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a pumpkin house. I think it's awesome. It's really simple, and this is going to be very, very easy to do, okay? So this is geared for beginners. Stay all the way to the very end of the lesson. The lesson is only 8 minutes, so in the very end of 8 minutes, you will have a new skill if you stick with it, okay? So I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker and regular printing paper. If you like learning how to draw Halloween drawings, if you love Halloween the way I do and you like learning to draw that stuff, click the subscribe button and click the bell notification because it's going to let you know when new videos come out. Okay, let's get started on this pumpkin house, okay? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the left side of the pumpkin. Like so. Gonna go to the other side and right here, down. Like so. Alright, so we have the edges, and there's gonna be a smaller pumpkin sitting on top, by the way. Gonna go over here for the edge of the smaller pumpkin we're gonna draw on top. Right, these look like parenthesis signs, right? These are relatively simple shapes and they're easy to produce, so should be easy so far. Go over here, down, pull in. And by the way, if the drawing doesn't come out exactly like this, it doesn't have to be a carbon copy. That's completely fine. That's what's cool about it. Everybody's got like different shapes and stuff like that. Like a curve here to connect. Go over here to connect as well. Line down here. And line at the top. Maybe we're gonna have some bumps here at the top to make it look pumpkin-like. We're gonna draw a stem coming out the top. So we're gonna go up, angle. Down here, out, down. Line over here. Line over here. That's for the stem to give the stem some ridges to make it look, you know, real, essentially, like it has this texture to it. Gonna draw some ridges at the bottom. I'm sorry, some bumps at the bottom here. Okay. Gonna go over here and now I'm gonna draw the window up here. So the window is gonna be like straight line over here. Down over here on this side. Down over here. Down over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to draw a box from here to here. But like put an X there. That's that little windowsill. Curve line here. Go up. Curve around the corner here. Curve over here. You know, to give it like the look of those ridges that are on here. Okay, you're doing well. Now we're going to draw the front door. So we're going to draw a kind of gravestone shape almost. Right there. It's going to be for the front door though. And that's going to have a little window. Let's draw a circle here. And that same kind of pattern. Like there. Gonna go over here and find the ridges on this pumpkin because that's really what's gonna make it look like a pumpkin. So we're gonna draw, and almost always those are thinner lines. The ridges are things to show form. You can separate them out like that. You can draw them just straight across too, just like, but make sure they're thinner, because if they're not thinner, it's not really gonna read as well. It might interfere with what the viewer's looking at. Right on. Let's go over here, go across to like a stone slab. Down. Some grass over here. Like it's a lived-in house, right? That's kind of what you want. Like a little slab or whatever. And we'll draw another one over here at the bottom here. It's like a rectangle. Down, down, across, little rectangle. Makes it look 3D. Line over here. Line over here. And maybe draw like a little light, like a circle here, and maybe like a light right there, like a square on top of that. Makes it look like there's like a little light post or something. Just something to make it look a little bit more like a lived-in house. And maybe like a little window. What do you call it? Little awning. Let's draw like a rectangle there. And let's draw some grass out here, just some zigzagging shapes. It look like he's living in it looks like a Smurf house, right? Something like that. And that's pretty much it, you know. This is the entire thing. If you got value from this drawing lesson, there is one thing you can do to pay back. You can share the video. Share it anywhere. A good idea would be to share it on what is it? Share it to a friend, or you can go to the bottom right hand corner, I think, and there's a share button there, and you can share it automatically somewhere, like on Pinterest or Twitter or Facebook. Excuse me. Or anything like that. When you share it, it brings back a huge amount of cool people to the channel. Also, there's a free gift in the description. Go take a look at that after you share the video. There's a free gift in the description. There are free Halloween drawing templates. That is it. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Happy Halloween and stay spooky.